This review is of Granvita rolled oats. Now this is 100% whole grain, 40 grams or more per serving, and it is Parav. Sorry, and what else? Oh, it's a product of Mexico, made by Grupo Industrial SA de CV, and that's it. Instructions for cooking. I am that and stove. I'm not even doing either of these. What I do is I put a bunch of fruit into my bowl and some artificial sweetener or sugar alcohol or whatever, and then I add in the water, and then I add in the oats, and I let it sit for a few minutes. Nutrition facts: 11 servings, one third of a cup per serving, 2.5 grams of fat, no saturated trans fats, cholesterol, or sodium, 27 grams of carbs, of which 4 are fiber, so that's a total of 23 grams. No sugars. So the rest of that, the 23 grams, is all going to be starches that are going to be broken down and slowed down by the fiber. 5 grams of protein. And here are the ingredients, obviously. Only oats. I can't even read it. It's stuck underneath that thing there. All right, well, there it is. I found it. Whole oats. Its origin may contain wheat traces. Oh, okay. Whole oat flakes, but rolled. One thing I wanted to point out is that amongst the many brands of oats that I've tried, these are the least rolled. So if you look at them, they're very... It looks like they went through a very coarse roller because they're all very neat looking. I don't know if you can see that very well, but you know, a lot of the other brands have been cracked through rolling much more than this particular brand, and I don't know if that's necessarily a good thing. Setting aside that it's from Mexico, I'm not sure if lightly rolled is beneficial or not. I would assume, actually thinking about it, that if it is less rolled, that means it's going to be harder for my body to extract the starches right away. So that would flatten the curve more, but I'm not sure. Let's find out what it tastes like. Well, honestly, I've been eating this for a while, and I'm fine with it. But for you guys. Now, I only let this sit in the hot water for like 3-4 minutes maybe. So they're still fairly firm. And plus being lightly rolled, they tend to be firm anyways. If you want them to be softer, you're going to actually have to boil them in water. And this is going to have more carbohydrates in it than a mixture of different grains, but also it may have less fiber. A little bit. So yeah, these grains are still pretty firm. I'm getting my work in here. A disadvantage of the grains being lightly rolled like this is that you can't make the oatmeal as creamy as if it was very, very well rolled. Also, however, I think the best way to get that creaminess is if you do boil instead of just pouring water into the same bowl with it and letting it sit. But I'll give these an 8. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.